About this item: marine tinned copper wire, OFC. Our GearIT marine speaker wire made of tinned copper is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, specifically for ocean or beachside properties and deep-sea ocean adventures. We use thick gauge tinned copper wire to protect from salt and rusting due to high salt content on deep-sea trips. Ocean salt waterproof. Our thick PVC jacket is waterproof and able to be used for salt water protection. Used for marine speakers, loudspeakers, or marine tower speakers for long-lasting and durable waterproof speaker wire jackets. Thick marine gauge wire, tinned wire, 99.9% oxygen-free copper. 2 conductors, 2C, with red-black internal cable color for easy polarity identification. External PVC jacket color is white cable lining. Insulation resists salt water, battery acid, oil, gasoline, heat, abrasion, and UV resistant radiation. Marine grade insulated cable, perfect for radio, automotive, auto trailer, stereo, lighting, R/C under harsh outdoor conditions. O listed and CL3 rated certification for marine wire install. Our pure copper marine cable can support up to 105C, 221F, dry, and 75C, 167F, wet condition. S for marine boat speakers, boat cable. Our GearIT boat wire cable comes in 25 feet, 50 feet, 100 feet, 125 feet, 150 feet, 200 feet lengths, and black colored trailer wire.